Welcome to the crypto, and today we're scanning for more triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities live on this video. So if you're new to this channel, hey, on this channel we talk about crypto and more strategies and stuff like that. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like button. And without further ado, let's just get right into it without wasting any time. All right, so I'm just gonna go straight right into it. Of course, let's select crypto exchange that we want to trade on, right? So as we can see, I've got multiple crypto exchanges right here that I can be able to select. If you have got an account on any of these crypto exchanges, then you go to go. But in this video, I'm just gonna go with BitGet or Bybit, right? Or OKX. All of these crypto exchanges are good exchanges, and they have got liquidity to pretty much support all these triangular crypto arbitrages and stuff like that. So let's try here, let's try to put like 200, because most of you, that's what most of you requested. Some said must start with 100 and see how we're gonna find opportunities with 100, but minimum is actually like 50 USD. So if you have got at least 50 USD in any of these crypto exchanges, then you can pretty much take advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage. You know what I'm saying? So right here, just gonna leave it like this, and let's scan. All right, guys, so as you can see right now, I've got these opportunities. All right, we have got at least 17 active opportunities, and with the capital of 200 USD, we should expect this profit right here, and this is average profit per trade, right? And we can take up to 32 trades right here. This is what it means, right? Because most people are asking me what does this mean and stuff like that. All right, and of course it's working in real time. So as you can see, we've got our first pair is USDT, Ethereum, then what, BGB, which is BitGet coin, and then convert to USDT. So this is a good one right here, and it's the first opportunity that we have. So I guess we're just gonna take this one right here without wasting time, because like we've got at least 60 minutes to take advantage of these opportunities. So I'm just gonna log into my phone now. All right, guys, so we're in my phone right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the trade. So let's go to right here, spot trading dashboard, and let's get some Ethereum. So you can see that I've got at least 197 USD right here, and we're gonna spend the whole available balance that we have to get some Ethereum. So let's just use a limit order, but that doesn't really matter. We can also use a market order. Spend 100%. Let's buy some Ethereum. All right. But then thing is, this takes time, so that's why I prefer to use a market order, because it's gonna go through immediately and stuff like that. So spending 100%, and we get some Ethereum. All right. So now you can see that I've got some Ethereum right here, right, with at least 197. So we're just gonna go ahead and search for BGB. All right, let's search for BGB. It's here, should be somewhere right here. Here we go, Ethereum to BGB, right? So now we're gonna have to buy some BGB. As we can see, we don't have any BGBs right here, right? So let's get some BGB buying with Ethereum. So we're gonna spend 100% right here, 100% to buy some BGB. All right. Now we have got some BGB, as you can see, with 43 BGBs right here. So now we're gonna have to sell this BGB to USDT and see how much we're gonna make with this triangular crypto arbitrage. So we're just gonna go ahead and sell all of it like this to BGB to USDT, right? BGB to USDT, BGB to USDT. Here we go. So we're gonna spend all of it 100% like this, and then click sell. right? Now you can see that the trade has been executed, and let's check. Now I can see that our triangle crypto arbitrage opportunity has gone through, and now this is what we have in our wallet. Started with 197 and we made some profits. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly I scan for triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities and all that good stuff. The link to the scanner that I'm using is going to be in the description below, and therefore I'll send the video. Love and peace, and cheers.